AI plus blockchain sounds impressive, right? But here's what's actually happening when these two technologies team up. Think of AI as your incredibly smart assistant who can analyze patterns and make decisions lightning fast. Now imagine giving that assistant a blockchain, which is basically an unbreakable, transparent filing cabinet that everyone can see, but no one can tamper with. When you combine them, something powerful happens. The AI makes smart decisions based on data, and the blockchain ensures those decisions are recorded permanently and can't be faked or manipulated. Here's a real example. Imagine an AI system that detects insurance fraud. Without blockchain, you'd have to trust that the AI's findings weren't altered. But with blockchain, every decision the AI makes gets locked into an unchangeable record that everyone can verify. It's like having a brilliant detective whose evidence locker is made of unbreakable glass. You can see everything. Trust everything and verify everything. This isn't just tech for tech's sake. We're talking about creating systems where artificial intelligence can make decisions we can actually trust and verify. And in a world where we're increasingly relying on AI, that transparency might be exactly what we need. The future isn't just about smart technology, it's about smart technology we can trust.